Dear students, today we are going to discuss on female foeticide. Okay, so if you look at the female foeticide, the condition of female foeticide. So what is meant by female foeticide? The female foeticide, it was considered as a extreme violence against women. So the India was ranked the fourth most dangerous place due to the female foeticide. So the women, what we call female or women, they are playing a major role in our daily life, in our society. So the female is females are what we call, they are in the role of mother, they are in the role of wife, they are in the role of daughter, they are in the role of sister, friend and all. Okay, so we are having mother, wife, daughter, sister, friend and all. Okay, but their condition of our in our what we call the independent India, it's somewhat pathetic. Okay, so before moving to these the issues of the female foeticide and all, okay, just we should know about so what does it mean by female foeticide? The meaning of female foeticide. So the female foeticide means killing the female fetus in the mother womb itself. Okay, so we are having the basic difference between female infanticide and female foeticide. So female infanticide means so after the birth of the child, whether it was decided if it is a girl child, means they will go for to kill the female, what you call the girl child. So after the birth, okay. But these female foeticide, it was it is kind of the crucial activities. The mother's womb itself, they are trying to kill. That is the what you call the negative impact of our the advancement of our technology. Okay, so this the killing the female fetus in the mother womb, it's very dangerous. How the human society are thinking in a cruel way. Okay, so the intentional killing of baby girl due to the preference of male baby, that is the basic causes behind these female fetus. The selective abortion, it's called so now it was legally it was protected, it was prevented. So the female feticide defined as the abortion of a female fetus after the sex determination test. So after the determination test over, if the child, if the womb child, maybe the boy, mean they will continue, they will wait for up to the delivery. If the child, it is girl, means they will go for they will go for the end of her life. Okay, that is the nature of the female feticide. So what was main causes behind these female feticide? Okay, so we are having several reasons, but anyway, if you look at the as a humanistic perspective, it is not it's not advisable one. It's not so it is not, we can't consider this is the female feticide is it's kind of the violence against women. Okay, so what is main causes? So what is major causes behind these female feticide? So if you look at the list of the reasons, like the poverty. Because of the poverty, the large number of people, the large number of rural people, they are following these kind of practice. Then gender discrimination. So if you look at the present society, they are not treating a girl and boy are equal. Okay, they are not giving equal rights. That's the main. Because of these reasons, they are not considering. They are not supporting for these female, what we call girl child. The lack of education. So because of the rural people, or because of the tribal people, there's some people there isn't aware of the because of the lack of education, they're not ready to accept girl child as a wealth of their family. Then some of the family, they are having some kind of traditional practice. If the girl child, means they should kill the womb itself, or so that's some kind of some of the people they used to follow this kind of traditional practice. Then the future speculations. Okay, so if because this is connected with the poverty, like the future speculation, like if the female child, if the girl child was born means, so we have to spend for education, we have to spend for marriage and all. But she never give a never employer never give a salary to what you call the mother family or father family. That's why they are not ready to support the baby child, especially girl child. These the boy child, they were viewed as a liability. Okay, if you look at the girl child, they are not ready to accept as a liable for their family. Okay, so they fear about dowry and the financial burden of to maintenance of these girl child. The advancement of technology, because of this advancement technology, it was occurring. So without the technology, they can't find before the woman, before the delivery, they can't find if we are having these facilities. It's not for the it should be used for the development of our child, but so it was used for the negative aspect of some social evil practice. Some of the doctors, they are doing these practices for money aspects, money mind. Okay, so what is the important consequence of these female infertility? So it is decreasing the female population. It is affecting the women health physically and mentally. If the girl child was killed at the womb itself, means the mother of that girl or mother of that woman is usually suffered due to these physical and the mental issue. Because of these attitudes, the large number of the suicide cases was increased among the women. The legal initiative. So we are having several legal initiatives for to control over the female infertility. So we are having the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961. We are having a parental perinatal diagnostic test act of 1994. Then medical termination of pregnancy act of 1971. The parental diagnostic test act of 1994. This act came into force in the year of 1996. The prenatal diagnosis technique prohibited and regulated the abolition of what you call the killing of the female child in the womb itself. It amended in 2003. It's banned the use of sex determination, the techniques, and it should not be misused of the abortion. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act of 1971. It came to force in 1970 next year. The abortion should be done only the qualified doctor, or can be abortion in the approved clinic or hospitals, but legally banned. Okay, so these it was penalized. It was punished under the Indian Penal Code section of 315 and 316. Then we are having several schemes to protect our girl child, like we are having Beti Bachao, Beti Banto, to improve child sex ratio. It was promote the early registration for the pregnancy and the institutional delivery. They ensure that panchayats should be display boys and girls with a number of newborn boys and girls every month. The panchayat hold responsible for child marriage. Okay, Suganya Samriddhi account. We are having the special account in the post office. It's only for the girl child. The account opened in girl before 10. The minimum amount of 1,000 rupees they can initiate. The interest of 9.1 percentage to no income tax will be charged for these maintaining this account. So to these account the schemes, government schemes, it was initiated for the promotion and protect of our girl child. Okay. Yes, we should stop our female 47. Yes, thank you.